Hola clase, in this video we're going to talk about using pronouns after prepositions. So we will go through a few prepositions, some irregular ones, and exactly what the pronouns that we use are. If you remember in the past, we've used pronouns, our subject pronouns, yo, tú, usted, ella, etc. We've had our indirect object pronouns, me, te, le, nos, and les. We've had our direct object pronouns, me, te, lo, la, nos, los, y las. And you even had your reflexives. So these are a little bit different, okay? So here we have, estas flores son para ti. These flowers are for you. Para mí, gracias, Roberto. Right? So notice here we have some different types of pronouns after the preposition para. So you might be familiar with these because in capítulo 6, we use these pronouns to clarify the indirect object pronoun. So it's not the me, te, le, that pronoun. It was the one where you said, a mí me gustan las matemáticas. Right? So we used it either to emphasize or to clarify, right? Le gusta el fútbol, right? And to clarify that, we might have said a él le gusta el fútbol. Okay, so clase, notice these pronouns, the me and the T, are what are different from your subject pronouns because the rest of these look exactly like your subject pronouns that you're used to. Notice that me has an accent mark and T does not. And these are the ones, like I said, we use after prepositions. The prepositions a, de, para, por, sin, and sobre. Some of these are not mentioned on here, and we're going to take a look at a couple of irregulars in just a moment. So let's look at an example. Estas raquetas son para ti. These rackets are for you, right? So we've got para, and I want to say you afterwards, so I use ti. Mis amigos nunca juegan sin mí. My friends never play without me, right? So here, sin is our preposition. I wanted to say me, so I use me with the accent mark. Now, there are some prepositions that do not use me or ti, okay? And one of those happens to be con. ¿Quieres jugar al tenis conmigo? Do you want to play tennis with me? Claro que sí, me gusta jugarlo contigo. Of course, I like to play it with you. So with con, we don't say con mi or con ti or any other option. We say conmigo or contigo, right? If you want to say with me or with you, conmigo or contigo. After that, you're going to use it with your regular subject pronouns. Con usted, con ellos, con nosotros. Okay, now another one that is an exception is entre. Okay, so with entre, you use all of the subject pronouns that you're used to. So entre tú y yo nunca hay problemas. Between you and me, there are never any problems, right? So here we go back to our tú y yo that you're used to with your regular subject pronouns. So, clase, let's practice a little bit. So what I suggest you do, pause this, read through these sentences. You are going to fill in the blank with the correct preposition and the pronoun. Watch out for those irregulars, con and entre. And then once you're finished with that, put the video back on play and check your answers because I'm going to go through those fairly quickly. Okay, so clase, número 1. Natalia escribió una autobiografía. How would we say about her? Good. Sobre ella. Okay? Sobre ella. Número 2. Without you, estoy muy triste. Sin ti. Right? So we use the informal you here. Sin ti. Now, if you would have used the formal you would just say sin usted. Número 3. Este regalo es for us. Para nosotros or nosotras. Depends on who the us is, whether we're dealing with a female-only group or if we're dealing with a masculine group or a mixed group. Okay, número 4. Quiero ir al partido with you. Okay, I hope you were careful. This is going to be contigo, right? Remember, it's combined. Contigo. Número 5. No hay secretos between you and me. So how would we say between you and me? Okay. Again, another irregular, entre tú y yo. So we do not use the prepositional pronouns. We're using the subject pronouns here because it is entre. Okay, clase, muy bien. As usual, if you have any questions, let me know. Hasta luego, clase.